Not all 3D printers are created equal. Some are game changers, while others, well, let's just say they belong in the trash. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best 3D printers worth your money. All the product link in the description. So don't miss number 1. So, if you're looking for 3D printers, stick around. I have a $20 off discount code available. Link in description or visit promowelt.com. Let's dive in. Number 5. AnkerMake M5C. The AnkerMake M5C is designed to make 3D printing accessible and efficient. With its sleek design and robust features, it's tailored for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. High-speed printing. The M5C boasts impressive printing speeds of up to 500 mm/s, allowing you to complete projects faster without compromising on quality, precision, and quality. With a layer resolution of 0.1 mm, the M5C ensures detailed and accurate prints, capturing intricate designs with ease. User-friendly operation. The M5C features a customizable one-click button, simplifying the printing process. Additionally, it offers easy multi-device control, allowing you to operate the printer seamlessly from various devices. Auto-leveling bed. Equipped with a 7x7 auto-leveling system, the M5C ensures that the print bed is perfectly calibrated, leading to consistent and reliable prints. Versatile material compatibility. The printer supports a range of materials, including PLA, PETG, and TPU, giving you the flexibility to experiment with different filaments for various projects. Pros. Quick assembly. Setting up the M5C is straightforward, allowing you to start printing in no time. Large print volume. With a build area of 220 x 200 and 20 x 250 mm, you have ample space to bring your creative ideas to life. Reliable performance. Users have reported consistent and successful prints, highlighting the printer's reliability. Cons. No on-device screen. The M5C lacks a built-in screen, relying on a mobile app for operation, which might be a drawback for some users. Wi-Fi requirement. A stable Wi-Fi connection is necessary for certain functions, which could be limiting in areas with poor connectivity. The AnkerMake M5C stands out as a high-speed, user-friendly 3D printer that caters to both novices and seasoned makers. Its combination of speed, precision, and ease of use makes it a compelling choice in the crowded 3D printer market. If you're considering stepping up your 3D printing game, the AnkerMake M5C is definitely worth a look. Number 4. Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra. The Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra is a resin 3D printer designed to deliver exceptional detail and efficiency. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, it's tailored for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. 12K monochrome LCD screen. Equipped with a 10-inch 12K mono LCD, the Saturn 3 Ultra boasts an impressive resolution of 11,520 x 5,120 pixels. This high resolution allows for printing models with exceptional detail and precision. Spacious build volume. The printer offers a generous build volume of 218.88 x 122.88 x 260 mm, providing ample space for larger projects or multiple smaller prints in one go. High printing speed. With printing speeds of up to 150 mm/h, the Saturn 3 Ultra significantly reduces printing time, allowing for quicker project turnarounds. User-friendly interface. The printer features a Linux operating system with 4 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth operation and efficient handling of complex models. Wi-Fi connectivity. With Wi-Fi transfer speeds of 610 Mbps, you can send print files wirelessly, enhancing convenience and streamlining your workflow. Pros. Exceptional print quality. The 12K resolution ensures that prints have sharp details and smooth surfaces, making it ideal for intricate designs. Fast printing speeds. The Saturn 3 Ultra's high printing speed allows for quicker completion of projects without compromising quality. Generous build volume. The large build area provides flexibility for various project sizes, accommodating both small and large prints. Cons. Manual leveling. Unlike some competitors, The Saturn III Ultra lacks an automatic leveling system, requiring users to manually level the build plate. Lift-off lid design. The printer utilizes a lift-off lid, which can be cumbersome in spaces with limited vertical clearance. The Elegoo Saturn III Ultra 12K stands out as a high-performance resin 3D printer that combines exceptional detail, speed, and a spacious build volume. While it requires manual leveling and has a lift-off lid design, its overall performance and print quality make it a compelling choice for those looking to enhance their 3D printing capabilities. Number 3. Qidi X-Plus 4. The Qidi X-Plus 4 is a state-of-the-art 3D printer designed to deliver exceptional speed, precision, and versatility. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, it's tailored for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. High-speed printing. The X-Plus 4 boasts impressive printing speeds of up to 600 mm/s, significantly reducing project completion times without compromising quality. Generous build volume. With a build area of 305 x 305 x 280 mm, the X-Plus 4 provides ample space for larger projects or multiple smaller prints in one go. High-temperature hot end. Equipped with an 80W high-temperature hot end, the printer can reach temperatures up to 370 degrees Celsius, allowing for the use of a wide range of high-performance materials, including PPS, CF, PPA, CF, GF, ABS, ASA, PC, Pennsylvania, PET, and more. Active chamber heating. The second-generation active chamber heating system can heat the chamber up to 65 degrees Celsius in just 8 minutes, reducing warping and ensuring optimal print conditions for high-temperature materials. User-friendly operation. The X-Plus 4 features full auto-calibration, remote printing capabilities, real-time progress tracking via the Qidi mobile app or Qidi Studio Slicer, and an HD camera for monitoring and time-lapse photography. Pros. Exceptional print quality. The high-temperature capabilities and stable build environment ensure detailed and accurate prints, even with challenging materials. Versatile material compatibility. The ability to print with a wide range of materials, including engineering-grade filaments, expands the possibilities for various applications. Robust build and design. The sturdy construction and thoughtful design elements, such as the core XY structure and dual independent motors, contribute to reliable and consistent performance. Cons. Learning curve. While user-friendly, the advanced features and capabilities may require a learning period for those new to 3D printing. Size and weight. With dimensions of 505 x 487 x 550 mm and a weight of 27 kilograms, the X-Plus 4 requires a dedicated space and may not be easily portable. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is an open-frame 3D printer that combines advanced technology with ease of use, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Its sleek metallic finish and compact design not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to its stability and performance. High-speed printing. With a maximum printing speed of up to 600 mm/s, the Ender-3 V3 significantly reduces project completion times without compromising on quality. Core XZ motion system. The innovative Core XZ design integrates the X and Z axes, allowing for coordinated and swift movements. This results in enhanced precision and reduced vibrations during printing. Reliable extruder kit. Equipped with a robust direct drive extruder, the Ender-3 V3 ensures consistent and clog-free extrusion. The 60W hot end heater can reach temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, accommodating a variety of filament types. User-friendly interface. The printer features an intuitive touchscreen interface, making it easy to navigate settings and monitor print progress. Auto bed leveling. The Ender-3 V3 comes with an automatic bed leveling system, eliminating the need for manual adjustments and ensuring optimal first layers for every print. Pros. Easy assembly. The printer arrives with highly pre-assembled modules, allowing users to set it up within approximately 10 minutes. Sleek and stable design. The all-metal die-cast frame provides a sturdy structure that enhances stability during high-speed printing. high-quality prints. Users have reported that the Ender-3 V3 produces prints with excellent detail and accuracy, meeting the expectations of both hobbyists and professionals. Cons: noise levels. Some users have noted that the printer can be quite loud during operation, which might be a consideration for those in shared or quiet environments. Build plate adhesion. Over time, the build plate's adhesion may wear down, requiring users to apply glue or other adhesives to ensure prints stick properly. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1. The Bambu Lab A1 is a next-gen 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced makers. It's compact, fast, and packed with features that make 3D printing smoother and more enjoyable. Whether you're printing prototypes, models, or functional parts, this printer promises accuracy and efficiency. High-speed printing. The A1 prints up to 500 mm per s, meaning your projects are done faster without sacrificing quality. If you're tired of long print times, this is a game changer. Multicolor printing support. Love colorful prints. The A1 is compatible with the AMS Light system, allowing you to print in multiple colors without any complicated setups. Auto-calibration and compensation. No more manual bed leveling. The printer automatically calibrates itself, ensuring perfect first layers and reducing print failures. Direct drive extruder. The A1 comes with a direct drive extruder, giving you better control over flexible and tough filaments like TPU, PLA, and PETG, silent and stable printing. With a sturdy frame and advanced vibration compensation, this printer runs smoothly and quietly, making it ideal for home use. Pros: fast printing speeds. Save hours on large prints. Multicolor support. Add creativity to your projects. Auto-calibration. No more manual adjustments. Beginner-friendly, easy to set up and use. Great print quality, precise and detailed prints. Cons: AMS Light, sold separately. If you want multicolor printing, you'll need an extra purchase. Pricey for beginners, it's a premium printer, so it might not be the cheapest option out there. The Bambu Lab A1 is a powerful and reliable 3D printer, packed with features that make printing effortless and fun. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, this printer delivers quality, speed, and ease of use. So, what do you think about the Bambu Lab A1? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video, and happy printing!